What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for your brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. And in today's video, we're going to continue with the BMW install series right here. Last video, we did work on the truck. We did do the BMW M style mirror covers, and they're holding on pretty well. They look nice, tying in well with the white and black theme we got going on. And today we do have another eBay special. We do have this eBay front splitter right here. This is several pieces, and I did take it out already. What to expect in the box, guys: you do have obviously the front splitter, you do have the self-tap screws that come with it as well, and you do have some 3M tape. Now this 3M tape doesn't look too promising, so I did went ahead and buy a separate one, the 3M brand, which should be better. I've learned from my previous experience when we had the X4, our front splitter that we had on there flew off. It just wasn't stuck on well, even after the self-tap screw. So this time, taking precaution, I actually got 3M. I'm gonna put 3M on the bottom side and add extra security with the self-tap screws. First step is go ahead and clean the undercarriage. I just wiped it off with some water and soap. Why you want to do that is because when you're going to use a 3M, and if there's dirt under here, the 3M is not going to stick so well. So first step is always start with a clean surface. And as y'all can see right here, I went ahead and applied some of the 3M tape down here. Make sure you press firmly down before the install. So one of the things that I like about this splitter right here is that it's going to align with the pre-holes that are already here. So I do not have to try to align it, I guess. It's already good to go. And I'm not gonna bolt it down all the way because I do want it loose, so I can just play with it, wiggle it around, get it to the right fitment that I want. And so from here, I'm just gonna be trying to figure out where, and the curvature is pretty spot on here. Yeah, so now I'm going to take off the tape for the 3M, the top half, so I can stick on. Let's see, boom. Now, shit, here's the tough part, because once the 3M is on there, it usually bolts on pretty well. But no, we got it. What you want to do, guys, make sure you press firmly on that 3M. It's not going to go anywhere. Again, it's not going to be held on by 3M only. I am going to use the self-tap screws, but now I'm going to firmly bolt this one down, and I'm good to go. Now that the driver's side is on, we're going to go ahead and work on the passenger side. So we're gonna do the same exact thing. Just copy paste. Just leave it semi-bolted on. There she goes. Have it hanging because I'm about to remove the 3M. We can stick it up there, and you can see the middle piece is there. Next step is just gonna be adding that bottom splitter, which gives it like a two-piece splitter look. It's gonna look pretty good. There you go, guys. Front splitter is on. Looks really well. It's missing the second piece that I'm gonna work on right now. But the only sucky thing about this product right here is that they don't include instructions. It is pretty straightforward, but the only thing that I'm having problems with right now is that it does include 3 sets of screws, and I don't know which one belongs to which hole. So I'm gonna mismatch and play around with it, trial and error. And then I guess I'll let you guys know which one goes where exactly. 3 sets of screws. You got these that are a little thicker, some medium-sized ones, and then you do have these little small ones. So from what I can see, trial and error, these little silver ones go to this section right here, which kind of connects the middle piece to the left and the right piece. And then trial and error, guys, again, I got these screws to go and these little spots right here, and I got the, don't ask me where I got these, I don't know, they're from like an old TV mount. They're these little plastic washers. If you got the metal washers, go ahead and get some, but I do have these plastic washers, and I think it looks pretty cool because it blends in just with the plastic. So I put the washer with this bolt, and it's on really well. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'm guessing that these bigger, thicker screws are gonna go where this mount is under this mount right here. It's gonna bolt on, screw on to this section here. So that's what I'm thinking, and I would trust it more since it has a washer. They are thicker. Like I said, from experience on my old splitter that I had on the X4, this is the first thing that flew off. So I think this is pretty good reinforcement just to hold it in place. Here's the scary part: drilling into your car. What I'm doing right now is I did get a drill bit and I'm just doing some pilot holes. That way we can get the screw on there a little easier and we won't have to be forcing it with the Phillips. Definitely guys, do the pilot holes before. It makes it a lot easier to work with. Plus the drill was not gonna fit into this little small hole. It's pretty deep in there. So yeah, I suggest getting those pilot holes done. Whew. All right guys, just got most of the big screws on there. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me tell you, after doing everything the right way, applying 3M and using all the bolts, this thing ain't gonna fly off anywhere unless you pretty much hit something, to be honest. But it looks like it's on there really, really well. There she is guys. Front splitter installed, done the right way. Check it out. What do y'all think? I think it looks aggressive. The only thing I don't kind of like is that you can see through the white undercarriage where like the front bumper is. But I don't know, I mean, maybe plastic or something might be able to fix it. That's the only thing. My wife called it out real quick. But now since the front splitter is on, I'm really debating whether I should add the black side extensions and just have it match really well together. We're gonna wrap it up here guys. If you guys thought this was a successful install and an informative video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel guys. We're trying to get back on that grind. I know I have Mustang content coming to you guys. We're gonna try to take this beauty out in the weekend. Hopefully, I think there's a car meter or crew, so we're gonna get you some Mustang content, some car content. But let me know what you guys think about the vehicle. Looking good? Did I do good with the front splitter? Should we add that side skirt? We'll figure it out. But anyways guys, we're gonna catch you on the next one. God bless.